Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I was legit looking at my son 2 days ago, and I was thinking to myself, like, this boy will legit be 4 years old very soon. And I mean, I'm not done having children, and why are we not having kids? Like, well, as in, guys, the thing is, it's so annoying that the excuses that my husband is giving, the reason why he doesn't want us to have another child, I'm not buying it. Like, it's not making any sense to me. I'm going to be telling you guys in this video, and then you guys should reason it. I don't know. But first of all, what do they say about what God does not do? It does not exist. So I was like just looking for a way to change my hair because my husband traveled and he'll be coming today. And I was just telling myself, I was like, I don't want my husband to meet me with this hair again. Like, he should not come and meet me on this hair. Guys, see this hair. He should not come and meet me on this hair. And I was just still contemplating, like, oh, money, where do I get money, blah blah blah, because this my saving game this year is on 100. I don't be spending money anyhow, like last year. So I was like, okay, I need to make my hair and everything. And I was just thinking, and then he chatted me up like, oh, he's on his way. I was like, okay, safe journey. God bless you. We already prayed for you. God will protect you. You are our head, and nothing can take our covering from us. And I was just telling him, and like, okay, he was like, he's very tired. I was like, okay, when you come, I'm going to give you a massage. And then we were just having a chat, and he was like, that hair that you're carrying, have you changed it? I was like, no, sir. I was like, go and change it. I was like, I don't have money. And he just told me, he was just talking. In my mind, you know, those kind of things. If you want to insult me, but shall give me this money, let me go. So at the end of the day, he just said, okay, I should take money from somewhere and go and make the hair. And of course, I didn't plan to. I was actually dressing up to go out, but as it is, I have to go and make the hair, and it's already late. This is about this is 10 o'clock in the morning. Time has gone. I know these Benin hair people, any small thing like this, we don't have chance, but God will help me and see me through. So I'm going to be losing my hair. This is my daughter's hair growth oil that I made. I think I briefly showed it in the vlog, in a back to school vlog, when I was making this oil. So first of all, of course, when you're losing your natural hair, you have to wet it. I just had my bath, my hair is still wet. You apply the oil to your hair before you start losing. It makes it very, very easy for you to lose. So I'll be losing the hair while we are talking. I really want to have a baby. Like, I really want to have a baby. And my husband is not buying the idea. His reasons do not make any sense to me. Like, I don't know. I'm this person that I just want to have all my kids once and I'm done. And it's not like, oh, we're trying and we're not having a baby. It's two different things. If you're a mom and you're watching this video and you are in this state, let me know if it's you that does not want any child, or is your husband, or you are trying and it's not entering. But that is not our case. Our case is different because I really want a baby. And you guys know, I've mentioned it in my video so many times that I have diastasis recti. Sometimes my tummy looks big. It depends on what I eat. And then my kids will be like, Mommy, do you have a baby? Mommy, I want a baby. This one will say I want a girl. This one will say I want a boy. For those of you that just see me for the first time, I have 2 kids, a boy and a girl. One is 4, so he'll be 5 soon. And the other one is 3, he'll be 4 soon. So, and I think it's only appropriate that you have a baby right now. I don't think there's any need for you to be waiting. The Nigerian mentality is that, oh, once you just say, you have a boy now, you have a girl now, what are you looking for again? This one, that one, that one, that one. Yeah, I like babies, sha. My husband does not. I remember when we wanted to get married, he was like 2. I said 3. He said 3 at most. I said 4 at most, And if I don't know, shall if God wants to just do this thing, and then jokingly like this, I'll get pregnant and it's triplets, his eyes will clear, like he will understand. So guys, let me not waste you guys your time and everything, because I need to hurriedly lose this hair, and of course I can't do the video when I come back, because by 1:30 my children will be closing from school, and that will be about the time I'll be making my hair and all. And maybe I'll just leave the hair and quickly pick them up from school, and quickly pick them up from school, and then we'll start the hair again, because I want braids. I've done crochet twice. I don't want crochet again. And sometimes I'm tired of wigs. I don't know if you're like me, but I get easily tired of wigs. Wearing wigs, I'm tired. I don't like it. So here are some of the reasons that Mr. Efepo Idisi, my husband man, they are very funny. One, he thinks that you should not have so many children in this economy, Nigeria economy. And I don't think that is an excuse, because whatever we're eating, I don't think it's an excuse, because you can actually take care of a baby. It's not like, oh, when a child comes now, we'll not be broke, or we'll not be feeding very well. You and I know that we can conveniently raise a child in this economy, So that excuse is so flimsy to me, and I'm not buying it at all. I do not agree with him. I need to twist this one. Once I twist. It makes it really easy for me to lose my hair, and the hair will not be dry soon. Then I didn't bring my spray bottle. Let's just continue. So this is done. Let me just continue. So a second reason he's giving is that pregnancy is stressful. Yo, like yo. Are you the one carrying this baby? The experience that, in fact, my husband have not really experienced pregnancy like that. So let me tell you guys, the first time I was pregnant was the only time that he gets to do anything. You get? And then we're young, I was young, inexperienced and everything. Of course, we're stressed because we're clueless of what we're supposed to do and all that. And I had cravings, I had mood and everything. I think that whole thing traumatized him, because I don't understand what he means by pregnancy is stressful when you're not the one carrying the child. And then my second child, we're living separately. We're not together. Like, we're not in the same house. Most of the time, 90% of the time, we're not together. So he didn't even experience the stress I went through for this, my boy. So I don't know what he means by pregnancy is stressful. He doesn't want me. He cannot go through that, and he doesn't want me to go through that again. Another aspect that I think he's looking at is the cesarean section, because I had CS twice and in 1 year. So I'm thinking that's the one he's thinking about, but I think everything is under control. It's not what is stopping us. At least this boy is 4 years, almost 4 years now. Do you get? If I take him now, by the time I'll be putting to bed, my boy should be going to 5. So what do you guys think about this second excuse? Because I still don't buy this second excuse. I don't buy it. I don't buy it at all. And that's what he's saying. Then the third reason. What's his third reason? I just remembered something. That when you're dragging children, that if he's holding one and I'm holding one, that's just fine. But a situation where you are holding one and the other one is holding the other one, then the other one is holding daddy. At 3 is a crowd. It's not making any sense to me. And I don't want a situation where I will not just take in without him knowing. If I want to do that, I would have done it since. I don't want to take him without him knowing. If not, I'd have done it. I don't want us to have issues. But like, seriously, this man just needs to understand that. Imagine we had a baby, immediately I had Bobo. That baby should be about almost going to 3 years now. Yeah, going to 3 years now. I know it's risky for me, but I don't want 2 children. It is not the dream for my life. Am I okay? That is not what I want for my life. So you guys help me tell this man in the comments so that I will give him the comments to read. Tell me what you guys think about this matter, because I'm not buying the whole not having another child idea. It was like, oh, if we're going to have any other child, it mustn't be Nigeria. Who wants to leave the country? First of all, who wants to leave the country? I'm not in the mood. Only mama born. This is the best place to have a child. I have friends that are abroad that have kids. They are suffering. No help, nothing. This is the best place where I have my mother, my grandmom, family, siblings, children. Everybody is here. It's in the abroad that nobody will help you. That's where you want to carry yourself to go. And so I just feel his excuses are flimsy. They're not concrete enough. I don't think it's money. So I don't think it's stress, because right now we have lots of people in my house, like people that can take care of this baby for me. My mother is here. Everybody is here. This is the best. I feel this is the best time for us to have a child. So guys, that's the gist for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I wish you guys can help me losing this hair, because it's going to be like a very long ride for me. I hate losing hair. Like, I hate it so much. All right guys, I'll see you in my next video. If you are just seeing my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe. I talk about parenting, motherhood, lifestyle, vlog, recipes. So do well to subscribe. The next time you shall be seeing me, with my new hair. Okay? Bye guys. See, my makeup is cleaning. I am not understanding why my forehead is cleaning. Yo.